Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change email address in Gmail. And for this we go to settings, see all settings. Then from here we go to accounts and import, other Google account settings. And right now we click on personal info, click on your contact info, and right now you will find here all the email addresses. But there's one thing that you need to know. You can't change your Google account email because this is a permanently email address that you are using. So it's not possible to change this. You can only change your recovery mail, contact mail, or alternative emails, and that's it, guys. I'm here to help you out, tell you just the truth about changing your email address. You can only change it by creating a new account. That's the only way how to do that. So hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.